Hello, my name is Teacher Damien, and I am from the Creative Edu Academy here speaking. And today I will be conducting the Adults Starter Oral Test for you adults out there wanting to learn English and test your skills. So let's get started soon, shall we? First, I would like to know what is your name and where are you from? Also, how long have you been learning English and do you find it easy? Great, that's nice to know. Now let's move on to the real questions. Are you currently a student or do you work? If so, what do you work as? That's great stuff to hear. Now, moving on to the next question. Do you currently live with your family? Or do you have any siblings or children that you'd like to explain about? That's wonderful. Lovely to hear that. What do you usually do during your free time? Ah, I see. Interesting hobbies. How is your daily routine like? What time do you usually get up? And what do you usually do every day? That's great to know. Great way to stay productive, I might say. Tell me, tell me a little bit about the place you live near. How is your town like? What is your town like? So that wraps it up for the end of our oral test. If you'd like to repeat it, feel free to and watch the video again so that you can test yourself better. I hope to catch you all in the next video. Goodbye.